Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Want to edit text in CapCut on mobile? Whether you're changing fonts, colors or adding animation, I'll show you how to do it easily. Let's get started. Open CapCut on your phone. Create a new project. Tap text, then choose add text. Type your text and position it anywhere on the screen. Change font, type style, font to select different fonts. Object size, position, drag the text to resize and reposition it. Change color, tap styles and change color. Add stroke and shadow. Use stroke for an outline and shadow for depth. Apply background. Add a solid or gradient background behind the text. And choose color. OK. Select your text, then tap Style and choose Animation. Choose in animation how text appears, out animation how it disappears, or loop animation continuous effect. Adjust the speed and duration for smooth transitions. Tap the text layer in the timeline. Drag the edge to shorten or extend the display time. Link it perfectly with your video content. Once you're happy with the text edits, choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. Then tap Export. Save and share your video with the update text. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.